Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone had a really nice weekend. You had fun, you got to relax a little bit, and I hope you enjoyed that extra hour of sleep. I know I sure did, although maybe the grown-ups enjoy that a little bit more than the kids. But today is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. It is the 43rd day of school, which means we are getting close to the 50th day of school, and I can't believe it. Does anybody know how many more days until the 50th day of school? What do you think? Yeah, seven. Good job. There are 7 more days until the 50th day of school. I can't believe it. Time flies when you're having fun. So, your special today is library. That is at 11:45. And before we go through our schedule for today, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. All right, so the schedule for today, for coming out first thing this morning will be an application problem for math for lesson 35. Then there will be two separate Wit and Wisdom reading lessons. One will be a deep dive on adjectives with Miss Taylor, and then one will be the next reading lesson with me, talking a little bit more about Cal and how Cal changed throughout the story, That Book Woman. And we'll be finishing up That Book Woman this week and starting a new book the following week. So that is the thing, that's what will be coming out first thing this morning at 9. Then we'll have our 10 o'clock class, and we will have word building today. So if you could please grab these letters, A, B, E, G, P, R, S, T, U, and a blank dictation paper. And then you'll send that after our live 10 a.m. class. And then at 1, we will meet again for math. And if you could just bring your math workbooks and just have the dry erase sleeve and marker handy just in case we need it. So that is the plan for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and one other thing, there will be an optional Flipgrid assigned today that you could answer any day this week or not at all if it doesn't work out for you this week with your schedule. But the question is, what would you like to be when you grow up? So I'm interested to hear about that, and I think that's it. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything, and I'll see everybody soon. All right, bye. Thanks.